beige, black, blue, brown, dark blue, dark grey, dark green, dark red, grey, green, light blue, lilac, olive, orange, pink, purple, red, yellow,